as Young Ponggay. And ang most recent show ko po is Wish Ko Lang, Nanay Ko Palaban as Nika. Shoutout po kay Maliza from Sarangani, Maytum. Thank you po for watching my live. Or kumusta ka na? Hello po, Adrian Francisco. Good evening. Okay lang naman po ako, Kakashi. Ikaw po, how are ya?
Sumanao, kagkansyon ka. Tatay ka pala sumanao dito.
Kansyon tayo nga duwa.
Kaya di.
I don't want nobody else to hold
Mga
you.
pinakatugtog mo kanina, kaganda mo. Nakaka-relax.
Ganon. I made a promise to distance myself. By what artist? Because I have a favorite song from every artist that I listen
Anong
to.
favorite mo song?
Best part, Daniel Caesar, hindi transform. Loose. Ano pa? Always. Kay Leve, Promise. Basta lahat. Bawal.
Nakalive pa rin siya.
We? Nagbuy-buya ka? You don't know, babe. Kapag nagla-live, bawal magpatugtog ng song. Kasi makaka-copyright. Kapag na-copyright, madidelete to. Huwag niya ubusin. You don't know, babe. When you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Oh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, hey, you're the best part. Yo! Lahi ko po, Australian po ako, and Filipina. Hello! The fan from Cambodia. Shout out to Cambodia. Hello po, RJ sa Huela. Ilocana Kagayam. Win, Ilocana Akpo.
Pag 9 na.
Dati sabi mo, pag 7 ka na.
Sana makapag-picture man lang sa personal. Sana nga po, siguro minsan po mag-arrange po ako ng fan meeting, fan sign, hindi ko po alam. Kapag kapag nag-reach po ako ng 500,000 followers, magsischedule po ako ng fan meet. Para kung naka-highlighter na kahit wala. Mapupupupupu na Michelle wala.
Ako to na ako.
I am from the Philippines. Quack, quack. Oh, guys. Remember when I posted pictures that I was wearing this pink swimsuit, pink top and pink skirt, and I was at a lake or a river. I think it's a lake. Yeah, lake. And I had this sunglasses, right? When we were going home, I saw a duck. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It's not that special. But it's like the first time I've seen a duck in real life, actually. Can you get me water, please? Tignan mo, parang siyang tatay.
Kaibigan ni Ninong dyan naman tayo, nagkaroon ng kidney failure. Nakakain ng street food, maalat, tsaka matatamis soft drinks. Ingatan niyo yung mga health niyo.
Lalo na yung kidney. Yung kidney yung isa sa mga pinaka...
Yung kidney, wala mo.
Lahat?
Basta yun, yung mga importante, yung mga internal organ, liver, kidney, heart. Yun yung mga importante.
Nagpintas ka. Agyaman na. Mapupupupupupumanishalala. Taga Quezon City po ako. Beautiful voice like an angel. Wow, thank you Raymundo Carpio. Nagkuwak ma. Tumaba.
Lalo nagrugi ka, no? Kasta amat hindi nagrugi na. Nagkatsanak, di kong dumadakkel.
Yee! Ako kayat. Ag-diet ako mat. Kasi lang ang change ko dati. Hamat nga kastoy.
Basta hindi. Basta ayaw ikaw mga eh.
Sakta.
Shoutout mo ko kay Auntie Jessica so.
Nagkita lang po kami ni Miss Jessica Soho po. Pero hindi ko po siya like, what do you call this? Hindi ko po siya like kakilala po in personal. So, yeah. Like personally, hindi ko po siya kilala personally. Thank you.
Wala na namang trash bag yung ano.
Think. Where do I put it then? Then. Mabaling ko nga ipakita to. Guys, so there's this biscuit. It's leche flan flavor, and I tasted it. At first, akala ko it won't taste like leche flan, but then as you chew it, it's you get a hint of leche flan. Pero not that strong of a taste. Shout out to Gleyan Blanco. I made a promise. One last. iPad ko. Andun lang.